Hello there, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Wassce 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 32. It says factorize completely 2x plus 2y into x minus y plus 2x minus 2y into x plus y. Now the answers are A, 4 plus x into x minus y, 4 into x plus y into x minus y, B, 4 into x minus y, C, 2 into x minus y into x plus y, and D, 2 into x minus y. And this is your question. 2x plus 2y into x minus y plus 2x minus 2y into x plus y. And when you are given a question like this, you take everything here as one equation and you take these other ones, you take everything here as another equation, and this is another equation. You have one equation here, you have another equation here. So now you simplify both equations. Now to simplify the equation on the right hand side, or the expression, we have that 2x into x minus y plus 2y into x minus y, and this is one equation. Now according to our question, it says everything plus the equations on this other side, which is 2x into x plus y minus 2y into x plus y. And when we solve further, we have that 2x plus x gives you 2x squared minus 2xy plus 2xy plus minus 2y squared. And this is it. Now everything here plus the equations on this other side, which gives us 2x squared, that's 2x multiplied by x gives you 2x squared plus 2xy, now minus 2xy minus 2y squared. Now from what we have here, you know that this xy cancels this and this cancels this, so now we are left with 2x squared, and this is what we have left, 2x squared minus 2y squared, now plus 2x squared minus 2y squared. Now this is the expression we have, this expression here, but we still have to simplify. Now what is common between 2x squared and 2y squared? 2. So we factorize, we say 2 into x squared minus y squared plus 2 into x squared minus y squared. Now 2 into x squared minus y squared, x squared minus y squared is one expression. It's like saying 2x plus 2x, which will give you 4x. So this is x squared minus y squared here, this is x squared minus y squared. So we now have 2 into x squared minus y squared plus 2 into x squared minus y squared. Now this particular thing gives you 4 into x squared minus y squared, and that's the answer to this particular question. Now this is supposed to carry squared, so the correct answer should be B, but the answer is not here actually. The answer should be 4 into x squared minus y squared. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.